Okay, to take the deck off, put the deck in the lowest position. Then come down to the front of your mower. Now, I've got the anti-scalp roller off, but that's not necessary. I'm just in the process of changing this out. If you go up here, you'll see this black bar that goes around that pulley, and it's got a nut there and up in there that, let's see here, up there that need to be removed. Okay, this is what we're doing. It's a 13 millimeter using a long extension. Just remove both bolts. Okay, it comes out of the front of the mower like this. Just put your screws back in so you don't lose them back in where they were. So this is the Pto Belt Guard, and the place where we took off that belt guard is the Pto clutch. So we've got to get this belt off of here. In order to do that, we're going to have to pull on the tensioner. I'll show you where that is. Okay, my belt's loose enough. I think I can just pull it off of here. And my belt seems to be twisted. Anyway, there that is. And these belts are gonna get messed up, but if your belt's too tight, you come in here and you'll see I put this wrench on. It's set to tighten, and I've just got it in here. This is the tensioner here. You just put that in there and pull this way towards the right side of your mower. That should loosen the belt for you. Just a note on this belt guide, make sure that this gets put back on. If this tractor is operated without this, it will ruin your mower. So anyway, okay, so we've got the belt off. We're still on the left side. And the next step is to remove this pin. And what we're going to do is pull this pin towards me and pop this out. This should come up out of there. And we'll do the same on the right side. Okay, wasn't hard. I got this one loose. Here's the one on the right side of the tractor. I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, this one's a little tighter. I'm just twisting it. It should come out. There. There. Okay, so it's out of there. Okay, now you want to raise this all the way up. Okay, now the only thing holding this deck on now is this front sway bar link. This is the same thing that we were dealing with when we were leveling the tractor front to back, but we've got to take this wire out, right? Look, right here, and pull this bar out. Okay, so everything is free, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the deck out this way to the right of the mower. And I don't have my wheels on, but that's just because I'm working on changing them out. It doesn't matter if you have your wheels on or not, but this thing should slide right out to the left. Of course, that is after I remove this string. Okay, came right out. Now I should be able to tip it over and get the blades off.